Okay. Welcome back.
Sislindi mudzimu rifuna rothe aritende Petsia Andy the Cabo Rivero, I think is one of the best that we have ever get. We are out of words. We don't even know what we can say, but we can just go to a simple Spanish and say, gracias Entranajo Luis Rivero for reaching 3 in a row finals of Nedbank Cup. Sislindi, 32 teams participate in this tournament, but we continue to do it each and every time.
Yeah.
There is a Zulu song that say Yambona Loa Manje.
That's nguye.
So Sislindi, Rivero is making us to know all this province Ngengani. We were at Loftus against Kukune. He was showing us Pretoria. He take us to
Mbombela.
He show us the whole of Mpumalanga.
We're going to
Now we
Durban now.
say Ngengani, budget or no budget. Ndikonisa Durban, KwaZulu Natal, and the Rivero invitation Osika Ridovarion.
Yeah. Madam, see, how important was this win?